people here are chairmen from Cross River State.
Wow.
They are in Delta for the youth competition. Football, this possible sports commenced about 3 days ago. We just came to pay
homage.
Consequence and going. While they were here, I called the governor, and the governor spoke with all of them, and they were very happy. What is it?
Yes, thank you.
So these are my people. When I say my people, I mean you're also my people.
Yes.
You know, but I'm an Igbo man, first and foremost. You know? Yes. Just like you are your friend. You know, but that's not your. What's your? You have So one thing that we all have in common here is that we are all
Igbo.
You know, at some point, when we had Eastern Nigeria, we were all together. Yes. Wasn't it?
Yes.
The present day, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, were all part of Eastern Nigeria.
Yes.
And then, of course, Bayelsa and Rivers. Isn't it?
Yes.
But along the line, after the war, they tried to organize us. Even here, they kept us away from Car people. So we were trying to come. Then there's a huge movement to actualize this through the creation of Anambra State. I'm sure you heard about that.
Yes.
You did?
Yes, we did.
But we didn't talk about that. What do you hear about Anambra State?
They just ready to pass him. The Senate is ready to pass him.
Wherever you are, please support Anambra State creation.
Thank you.
It's one step towards the unification process.
Yes.
After this, we'll now move to Ukraine to make sure we get Ukraine also back as NWOKO.
Yes.
That's what we want to do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We are winning.
The identity crisis has collapsed. It has collapsed. Right before our eyes, the identity crisis, the mountain of identity crisis has been reduced to a mere sand, and we are here standing tall, and we are here standing together, and we are here holding hands to proclaim our identity. Very, very soon, the Igbo identity shall become that identity that every person will be proud of. I am standing here, I am here in Delta State, the Delta North, with my Ukwane brothers, with my Ibanke brothers, with my Seduku brothers, with my Inka brothers, with all my people who has in the past been subjugated, thinking, made to believe that they are someone else, some people. But today, the Igbo identity has risen, never to fall again. I will need Igbo Gadi, Igbo Gadi, Igbo Gadi, no room. I can tell you that. Who am I able to go? I'm